Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option display. Then scroll and find Screen Timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from DOOGEE Tools. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes, I mean the time option, and under it we've got also the option never, which means that after choosing it your device will never black out automatically. So just tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.